Hi, this is Xperia 10 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the icon changer app on this device. So first open the Play Store application and in the search pool under the X icon changer. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download and then installing on your device. After that, just tap to open the app. Here you'll see all of the available applications which icons you could change. For example, let's use the contacts one. You could rename the icon if you want to, so you could use photo from your device gallery, from the library, and to use photos from the gallery or to take a picture right now in camera app. So let's select the similar icon, the contacts one, then just tap to OK in the right upper corner, and now we should skip the videos here. So tap to the 6 icon, click to add to home screen. So now we could go to desktop or to change the next icon by the same way. So let's check the new contacts icon, and we could see also here the default one. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.